Ram 71, 9052 is number one again. He's losing control at Oak.
On May the 8th, 2025, at approximately 7:20 p.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched on a call of a shooting with one victim.
There's two people outside yelling and shooting each other with guns, and now they're shooting people. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
The caller was able to provide a description of the suspect, and officers located his vehicle shortly thereafter.
That's where he ran into.
He just took off in a gray Tahoe with like 28, and it's long.
Responding officers attempted to stop the suspect, who decided to flee, leading the officers on a pursuit that looked like something out of the video game Grand Theft Auto.
Chopper to 6, please. Chopper to 6.
He's driving into cruisers too.
Where are you guys at now?
Southbound again, just past the Weber. S96 is 1, 9052 is 2. And 7 3. 4. They only 4 cars. Only 4 cars today. Round 4, eastbound 4. This works really good. Southbound the alley, east of Cleveland, south of 4. Around Kentmore, drivers are sitting on flag, all flags from that construction left, coming up the door. 24, I have video footage of him with a 33, equal to our suspect. Back on the road, northbound Delaware, getting civilian traffic. Back on Delaware again. Backside of step here. Westbound, parallel to Huey. West, the backside of Light Series, turn back. Eastbound towards Huey. Coming back up to the northbound, passing Cricket Wireless in the northwest side. Drivers hanging out, or now we have still northeast now. We have the backside. That's where he's back to Cleveland.
Southbound again. It's looping around. 9052 is number one. Southbound again. Front. 71, 9052 is number 1 again. He's losing control at Oakland. They let him out of this. He's going into Huey Elementary now. Turn the fucking car on!
You got something to break it?
Yeah.
Officer, watch your crossbar.
Find Sergeant.
Break this shit.
Hey, have him come out.
He's on the passenger side.
Bring back.
Climb out!
Get out.
Hey,
Climb out now. Get the fuck out.
Come and get.
Get out.
Break that one then.
Stick your hands out.
We need fire in the stage.
Stick your hands out from under the airbag. Airbag.
Huh?
I got you. I got you.
You got eyes on?
Yep, I got
eyes on.
I got hands. I got hands. Do not fucking move. Do not fucking move. Do not move. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Get him out. Get him out. Roll him over.
Hang on.
Roll over. Get on your stomach.
Let's go.
You got this bitch on camera now. You got me now, bitch.
I pulled it
Give
out.
me now, bitch.
Hey.
Give me my face. Give me my face. The bitch is putting the handcuffs on me. Little bitch. Hey, little bitch. Hey, what's your name? Hey, little bitch. What's your name? What's your name, little bitch?
Put him down. Put him down. Put him on his feet.
What's your name?
Put him on his feet. Put him on his feet. Get a good
What?
search.
No. Little bitch, no.
Get a good search when you guys get
This
down.
is the parking lot of 1784
What?
Huey.
Shut up. Let's go.
Shut up. I'll spill you right now. I'll spill you right now.
No, you won't.
I'll spill you right now.
Again.
I'll spill you right now. I'll spill you right now.
And so, can you get with Zone 1, see if they can send a sergeant to the 43 seat? Both the sergeants on Zone 6 are tied up on this pursuit right now.
Holster.